Lakasan mo yung astig, bay. Lakasan mo ang astig. Ayan. Okay, everybody's feeling good? Alright. You can have a cup of coffee for free. That is hot or cold. Coffee Caustic 3 in 1. Ayan na. Thank you guys, and have a nice day everyone. Right after the Enduro class, we will have a short break for the showering ng race track natin. Maraming salamat sa mga team joining this 2013 series of Coffee Caustic 3 in 1 and M&M. More power to M&M. Man and Machine Racing Promotion. He did Sir Jonas Sedlawan. Of course, the other man, Sir Jake Cordo and company. Toto, Benedict, kumusta? Kumusta din Toto, Benedict Tobilla? Ha? Toto, Benedict? Okay, get ready. All riders, stand by, all riders for the pro. Top Lance is ready now. Top Lance is ready.
Copico, your coffee specialist, presents Copico Astig 3-in-1. Stronger and richer coffee come from grade 1 selected coffee bean. Full and properly roasted. Be 100% Astig. Wow! I feel good. Stay 100% awake with Copico Astig 3-in-1. Copico Astig 3-in-1. Astig na kape.
Ha? Nakuha na po si Eugene.
Okay, riders, you can get your pack lunch, okay? So while waiting for the pro, dinig muna tayo sa stock. It's some kind of alikabok, no? So, delicado. Okay, so we have to delete the race track first, okay? Before going into the pro category. So again, I'd like to welcome and thank all of you guys for supporting and joining our 2013 leg 3 for the series of Coffee Caustic 3-in-1 here in Central Bacolod. So once again, I'd like to thank the Army team, the volunteers, the police, the first team, and of course, we'd like to thank the active Realty and Development Corporation Central here in Central Bacolod. Thank you. And of course, we'd like to thank the M&M Racing Promotion, headed by Mr. Jonas Sedlawan, and I'd like to congratulate and thank the Copico Astig rider headed by John Sedlawan, ang ating pong endorser ng Copico Astig 3-in-1, all the teams of Copico. Honorable Bas Bautista from Canlaon, good morning. And kumusta ang atong mga rider niya? Mga Bisaya, taga-Bisaya, mga Mindanao, mga taga-Sugbo. Kumusta mo niya ba eh? Ha? Kumusta inyong mga lagay dyan? Ha? Kumusta ang inyong mga lagay dyan? Okay lang kayo? Yes! I love it! Okay. So dito ngayon ang Cycles Unlimited. Okay lang daw ang ilang mga lagay. Buti-buti daw ang kanilang mga lagay. Alright.
100% Astig.
So again, good morning Bacolod, Central Bacolod City. Thank you once again. And more power to M&M Racing Promotion, and I'd like to thank Engineer Andrew Canlas of Majap Racing Team.
Stay 100% awake with Copico Astig 3-in-1.
Andrew Copico Majap Racing.